Mm-hmm.
Oh!
All right.
Golly.
Shot. Woo!
Wow, what a shooting on that.
Get it. Kill it.
He went down out there.
Kill it, man.
Kill him!
I need it.
Ready.
Kill it.
I need 2 shells, so I just killed 2.
He said, "Oh, here they come pitching." Boy,
I told you I was saying, didn't I?
They gonna get with it, son.
Yeah, they did. They're going up down there.
now. That's what I'm talking about.
They ain't like
Oh,
they
Jeremy
going
missed out on them big matters, didn't he?
You got that echo down in here.
Yeah, I got that.